Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use drawing gum. Drawing gum, also known as masking fluid, is an essential tool for artists working with watercolors, inks, or airbrush techniques. It allows you to preserve specific areas of your artwork, creating sharp, unpainted sections or protecting underlying layers. This versatile liquid forms a temporary, peelable barrier, ensuring your whites stay bright and your colors remain distinct. It's a fantastic way to add precision and detail to your creative projects. Applying drawing gum requires a bit of care to achieve the best results. You can use various tools like an old brush, a ruling pen for fine lines, or even a silicone tool, which is easy to clean. Remember to apply it to a dry surface. A thin, even layer is ideal. Avoid thick puddles, as they can be challenging to remove later. Always let it dry completely, which typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes before you start painting over it. After your drawing gum has fully dried, you can confidently apply your watercolors, inks, or other mediums over the masked areas. The gum acts as a protective shield, preventing any paint from reaching the covered sections. Once your paint is completely dry, and this is crucial, it's time for removal. Gently rub the dried gum with your finger, a rubber eraser, or a specialized crepe square. It should peel away cleanly, revealing the pristine, unpainted surface underneath. To ensure the best experience with drawing gum, here are a few helpful tips. Always clean your brushes and tools immediately after use with soap and water. Dried gum is very difficult to remove. It's also a good practice to test the gum on a small, inconspicuous area of your paper first. Try not to leave the gum on your artwork for more than a day or two, as prolonged application can sometimes affect the paper. Store your bottle in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.